get all your bags in here.
Oh my god, mine's so heavy!
Come on. Put it in here. Stop going on your phone. Come on, put that in there. Okay, everybody out of sight. Come on. Come on. Really pick it up, please. Put it in good. Thank you. That was a lot of packing for just a 3-day trip.
It was indeed.
It was indeed, doesn't it? Everybody in, all doors closed. Are you ready for a road trip, people?
Yay!
Really? Nobody? Nobody? Oh. Let's do this then.
Are we there yet?
No, we are not there yet.
Are we there yet?
We're not. I just said we're not there yet, okay?
Are we there yet?
Stop it, kids. We're not there yet.
Stop it, both of you, please.
Kids, stop it. Stop it, both of you. We're not there yet.
Stop it, fuck you. We're gonna get into a car accident if y'all keep doing this.
Be like your brother. Be quiet.
She hit me!
Stop it. Shut up. I'll get you some McDonald's if you shut up.
Go get your ice cream.
Oh my god.
Give me the bag! Give me the bag!
Ah, this is the life. Quiet.
Finally.
Finally.
Where did babies come from?
Jimmy,
His name is Jimmy.
Jimmy, give me the phone. Jimmy, give me that phone.
Give
me
me that
the
phone
phone.
right now, Jimmy.
Give me the phone right now. Give me the phone.
No.
Give me the phone.
Fine.
Jimmy, give me.
Hey, what the?
Okay. We're gonna get some stuff. You guys be careful, okay?
Don't do anything.
Don't
Alright?
do anything stupid, okay?
Okay, let's go get
Let's
some
go.
gas.
You heard that, stupid? Don't do anything.
Your mother is stupid.
You call my mama stupid? You call your own mama stupid.
Let's drive this car.
No, what the heck were you thinking? Shut up! No, don't do that! Just do it!
We lost him. Okay, we're gonna start recording in 3, 2, 1, action.
Give me telephone, chat.
Oh, that's gonna be the blooper reel.
That's a perfect blooper. Oh my god.
And the camera is rolling. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, action.
I lost!
Give me that phone here. Give me that phone. Give me that.